Okay there. Right, how to change battery. Right, first thing you do, number one thing you do is pull the pin out to disengage the watch. Second thing you do is unscrew that tiny screw. Yeah. So unscrew that. Make sure you put that screw in an elastic band or somewhere, so that it's in there so you don't lose it. Then the second thing you do, the third thing you do is use a super thin thing to get underneath and lift it. So once you lift it, but be careful, be careful, because the flashes on it. Right, then third thing you do is you see the let it focus a bit. See the battery that has a tiny spring-loaded thing that holds the battery in place. Put it back on. Yeah. So what you do is you use a cocktail stick or something like that, just to move over this spring-loaded thing. Make sure when you put the battery back, the writing's at the top. Pull back the spring-loaded thing. Right, take the battery out, and then make sure you push the spring-loaded back on to the battery, because you want to make sure the circuit's okay. That's okay, right. Then you have to make sure if this is pulled out, the light, make sure that goes back in again. There's a tiny little hole. Just press it gently, but be careful. Turn it around again. Right. So engage the watch again to make sure it's going around before you put it back again. So that's going around. That's okay. So pull it out again, and then push it all back. So it's all back. Engage that so you can see that the watch is working again. Then after you get the spring-loaded thing out from where the elastic band was. That's just so you don't lose it when you're doing things. Put it back in again. Tighten it, not over the top. Just check that the light's working. So it's all okay, and that's all you have to do. Okay, hope that helps you. Oh, by the way, it works the same for the gold and silver lyres. Okay? Right, have a good day. Bye.